Now, if you've been online for a while, you'll notice that there are a lot of copyright violations that are going on, and companies like Google don't take them friendly. For instance, if you got copyright images or content on your website, Google AdSense would not approve your website. In fact, Google made it known that that is the reason why over 35% of applications into the Google AdSense program are being rejected. So today I'm going to show you two different ways you can get copyright free images that you could use for your blog or website or web project without having any issues. The first way is via Google, and this is pretty simple. Now, for instance, I run an entertainment blog and I want pictures of let's go with Donald Trump, and I want a copyright free image of Donald Trump. The first thing you have to do using method 1 is Google Donald Trump. And then, as you well know, you click on the image here. And this is what most bloggers or internet marketers do. They just go over here and right click and download any image they like from here. But the truth is that this place is a mix up of both copyright free and copyright images. As you can see, this image is from deadline.com, from cnbc.com, from bostonglobe.com. So getting any image directly from here is risky because majority of the images here are owned by brands which actually have copyright rules on them. So to get the copyright free images, just simply come to the top and click on tools, and now this comes out. Then usage rights. As you can see, the usage rights by default is selected to all, meaning you actually get to see copyright images and copyright free images. To get copyright free images, we are looking for Creative Commons licenses and not commercial. So we click this. And this is it. All these images here are copyright free, and you are permitted to take any one of them and use on your blog as long as they are under the Common Creative License. So you can save this to your blog, save this, save whatever you see here. All these images are copyright free images. So for instance, you don't have to save an image from here. It's as easy as clicking on the image, then you wait for it to load so it gets clear, and then right click and save image. So any image you're looking for at all is already on Common Creative License. Sorry, Creative Commons License, Common Creative, anyone. So for instance, I'm looking for an image on Lionel Messi. It's still under Creative Commons license. All these images here are free and you are permitted to use as many of them on your website, and you would not have any copyright violation issues. Now this is method 1. The second way you can get copyright free images is using a database of images known as Creative Commons. It's actually Wikimedia Commons. Yes, this. So if I click on this website, now you see Wikimedia Commons, a collection of 65 million free usable media files. Whatever image or video you see on this website under the free usable license can be used on your blog without any issues. So to get an image, simply come here and you could search. Let's go with the same example, Donald Trump. search. It's loading, so we have to exercise some patience. Now it has actually showed us the images. Scroll down, still loading. So as you can see, it actually gave us some images of Donald Trump. And all these images are free and you could actually use them on your blog without any copyright issues as well. There are also some other free websites you could get images from, like Pixabay. 1.8 million plus turning free images to use anywhere. So it doesn't matter the source, but just know that it doesn't have to be a copyright images. You don't always have to copy directly from Google. So if you want to get your images from Google, you could filter them by what we just did, so that Google only displays to you the free images, or you could use Wikimedia Commons or Pixabay or any other stock free images you find on the web. So that's it, guys. This is Platin Web Tech YouTube channel, and if you like our videos, please consider subscribing. If you got any more questions, the comment box is always open. See you next time.